Yes, my darlings, like I was telling you, this is what it's all about. It's Manhattan, my darlings. Welcome to New York, Christina. Welcome, my darling, to fabulous New York. Oh, I missed you. I missed you, I missed you, I missed you. Come on, Christina, we got stuff to do.
We got things to do.
We got people to see.
Places to be at.
That's it, it's number one.
That's what it's all about.
I live and love. Let's go.
Got it.
It's fabulous. Nothing like summer in Manhattan. I absolutely live and love. It's the gorgeousness of it all.
Okay. Hello, Fumi Nation, should I say. You all know me. My name is Christina, and I am sitting with the fabulous Fumidesaluvold.
Hello, my beautiful Christina Crowns. How are you?
How are we?
We're still in New York and we're having a fabulous time, my darling. I am wearing none other than Renee Tyler. Renee, darling, I live and love you. I live and love you. You cannot, you have warmed my heart. Sequins and animal print. Oh, my darling, I am so satisfied and content. Christina, you're looking fabulous, darling.
Would you like to know who I'm wearing?
I would love to know who you're wearing.
I am wearing no other than Zara.
Zara did this.
We all know Zara.
Zara did this.
With this.
Wait, where?
This was about 3 months ago.
Fabulous. It is giving me Grecian goddess.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
And because it's giving me Grecian goddess, our arms are out and we are living and loving because we have Beauty by Leticia. She's also a production company of which you know because they're producing this fabulous content for us. I love you. Multiple kisses. And she has just launched her first beauty product of which I love. They have gifted you, Christina, t-shirts of which you can custom yourself. This is her logo. Just look at the body. This is actually Lisa.
It's beautiful. Is that Lisa?
She's gorgeous. The body is smoking.
The body is body.
The body is bodying, as they say. Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you.
I live and love so that you guys can see. Just look at how fabulous this is, and we can just design it. You can cut it. You can rouge it. You can rouge it. You can do several t-shirts. This is beautiful. Thank you, my darling. So very generous of you. Now let us go straight to the dessert, and that is none other than her fabulous setting powder. My God, look at the packaging. This one is for you. She gifted you, very generous. And look, she has a logo right here. This is very on brand. I live for it. Let me bring it closer for those of you that want to see. The link will be down below, my darlings. Okay? And this has to be one of the most phenomenal setting powders ever. Now, what is even better than this setting powder is that we have Lisa here. Are we going to welcome her to the show? Yes, Lisa! Come on in, my darling.
Oh,
lovely to see you. Thank you for coming on. Mwah. Oh, how do you do it all, Lisa? You're married, you're a mother, you have this fabulous production, you're a beauty guru of all beauty gurus, and your body is just smoking. How do you do it all? The woman that does it all. Tell us.
Thank you so much. It's really praying to God every single day and meeting beautiful women like you guys. I've been following you for a long time, so thank you. I'm a follower. Thank you so much. Fumi Nation, we are all part of this beautiful crowd that you brought us to, so thank you for bringing us in.
It's an honor.
And meeting women like this and praying, very intentional to be able this moment for you in New York. So thank you so much.
It is an absolute honor.
Thank you.
So lovely to have
I'm so excited to apply the powder on you.
Please.
Thank you.
We cannot wait.
So this is a beautiful setting powder. It is a golden hue. It is talc free, so it's very natural. I created this when we brought spray tans to the world. I've been a spray tan artist for many years, and a lot of the girls feel sticky afterwards, and they also want some type of glow. This is a perfect glow for you. So what I like to do is I like to actually put it in the cup.
Yes.
I just put a little bit in.
Yes.
And I love a good glow. I know you like glowing.
Yes.
Nation.
Yes.
You guys have been working out, and you look amazing. You guys look amazing. So what I do is I dust it inside.
Yes.
To drip off. It is a loose powder.
Yeah.
And we just apply it where we would like that glow. This is a golden hue, ladies. So this is perfect for if you're going to Vegas poolside, if you're going out on the side of town with Ula, even if you're going to the park with the stranger, you can apply this. But look at, I like how it steeps into the skin. It is flawlessly, and that golden hue is perfect.
So this has to be one of the top tier. You know why? It's not streaky.
No, and it's very finely milded, so it's
That's
perfect.
Very finely.
You're right, actually.
It doesn't
It have a
streak.
scent, a very light scent. Smell it.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Very
It's so
subtle.
yes.
Very
feminine.
Yeah. Very feminine.
Very
Yes,
feminine.
exactly.
Very. And can you put like setting spray over this? Can you enhance it with like body oil, body creams? What can you do to enhance it if you want the extra?
I did the Charlotte Tilbury all over. And then you want to set it, or you want to actually put the powder on first, then get dressed afterwards. Because I don't like to get it, unless you like glitter everywhere. I love glitter everywhere.
Yes.
For my outfit,
Yes.
so it just depends. But usually I get dressed, wait 10 minutes. I actually set it with the Patrick Star setting powder.
Patrick Star in the house.
I love the setting spray. I set it all over the body, and then I get dressed.
Wow.
And then you get dressed, and it is
Fabulous.
beautiful.
Oh my God.
Do you see that on the
Oh
Fumi?
my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Glory to God.
No, to the gods, to the
Oh,
angels.
look at that.
That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. So it is very dark skin friendly.
It is. Yeah.
It's very dark skin
We
friendly.
have two. So we have a translucent silver, which is perfect for brides. It's silver base. And then we have the golden.
So that's a cool tone,
It
and
is
then
cool
the
tone.
gold is a warm.
Yes, ma'am. And you put it,
That's beautiful.
what these arms Fumi has been working out.
Yes.
Is amazing.
Oh my God. No, this is gorgeous.
And if a little bit gets on Ula,
Yes. Ula loves it. Ula loves it. Hi, Ulski Kavulski. Hi, Ula. This
you
is
can put
amazing.
this all over your body anywhere you like. This is a
Wow.
beautiful, this will last you forever.
Well, I was going to say
It is
that
a lot.
on like many highlighters, this is a whole part.
Yeah.
That's lasting you a
This
long
is a
time.
whole. This will last you forever. You can put on your legs, on your shins, like she said, for brides,
The J-Lo
everywhere. The J-Lo glow. I love it. I love it. I love
This
it.
on your legs.
On my legs. I'm going
Beautiful.
to even dip my finger into it because I
With
really
it.
want you to see the intensity of it. Just look at it. It doesn't streak. It blends in, and it's gorgeousness. It's so effortless.
So much.
It's so effortless.
It enhances what you already.
But and that's what I love about it. And you know this, you can put it on your mama.
Yes.
She's still going to look gorgeousness.
It's not
This
chunky,
is-
it's not too much.
No, it's not. It's not streaky. I'm in love. I am obsessed.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Guys,
Guys.
get yours. The link is below. Beauty by Lisa-Leticia. She's my best friend. Now, yes. I'm living and everything by her. And do not forget to tell her that you're Fumi Nation Christina Krause. Let her know that you are her tribe. All the best to you.
Thank you
Although
so
I
much.
don't think
Thank
you
you.
do.
Thank you. Thank you so much for me. Thank you, Miss Christina.
Yeah, 100%.
Lovely.
Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and we will see you what? We'll see you sooner than later. Bye.
Bye.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Love it. Okay, we go. Da, da, da. Mwah, 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 mwah. I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, Manhattan. I love you, New York. I love you, Juvia's Place. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for Beauty by Lisa-Leticia for the production. Mwah, chef's kiss. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point. And I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one. And I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay. That is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, Healthy Hair Studio, created by Trichologist, ENITAN. Is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.
Value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been an unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking